I want you to think about how and when you procrastinate. So we all procrastinate for a variety of reasons in a variety of different situations. Let's just be honest. Sometimes we procrastinate because what we have to do, we don't want to do it. Having a tough conversation with somebody, doing a task that you really hate. Sometimes we procrastinate because we don't know where to start. Right? There's just too many things. Like, I don't know, this project is too big. So maybe if I just think about it a little bit more, I'll think of where to start. So I know I'm going to go walk and think about it. And I'm not saying that's a bad thing. I'm saying that it's only a bad thing if we're taking that walk to procrastinate starting. If we're actually taking that walk to actually clear our heads, that's a good choice. If we take the walk just to say, oh, maybe something magically will fall out of a tree and tell me what I need to know, then that's procrastination. It's not bad. We just want to be aware of it. Sometimes we procrastinate because we're so busy being busy that we actually put off things that need to be done because we've so much on our plate that we're like, well, if I can get these 10 things done that will only take me 10 minutes a piece, that's a lot easier than that thing that's going to take me an hour. But is it?